We're going to do a video real quick on S&P 500 ES support levels, and we've got them available for you tonight, the 11th, for tomorrow, the 12th of October. And as you can see, for S&P 500, we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading day holding periods. And for entertainment purposes only, we list buy prices all the way across, starting at 35.89 and all the way up to 35.98 for the S&P 500. These are buy prices. We also have some higher percentage wins down here, 35.89 to 35.98. So these prices look the same across the board for the higher win percentage tomorrow. These are for the S&P 500 E-mini futures, the ES futures contract on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And again, they're there for your entertainment purposes only, but they're for tomorrow, the 12th of October. If you want to get these every morning, you can for free at RBAMresearch.com. No credit card required. There's a link in the description below. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, S&P 500 that I just showed you, as well as crude oil, gold, and T-bonds, all updated before 7 a.m. and usually updated in the evening before 8 p.m. Again, link in the description below. No credit card required, and it's all free. Please consider that all of the information you see on here, including our entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You can only use it for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have some comments for us, we'd love to hear them in the comment section below.